Okay, here's the compressor for the train horn set. I have it hooked up to accessories, so it only comes on when the key of the vehicle is on. I worked up a quick disconnect for the electrical system, so I can just unplug it when I need to service it. There's the relay down here, which I had to purchase myself because it didn't come with the unit and it was advertised that it was supposed to. So right now I am sitting at about 60 psi according to the meter. I will turn it on. It seems to respond pretty quickly to filling up with air, but it does lose air along the way for some reason. I don't know where the leak might be because my connections are pretty tight. Key on. As you can hear, it started right up. Okay, just like clockwork, it cuts off at about 93 psi. It's supposed to go up to 120. So as you can see, I won't get much service out of this before it drops down to 90 and it has to come back on again. In fact, I probably beep once with the train horns and that'll drop it down to 90. I have a 1/4 inch inside diameter hose connect directly to it, and I put a hose clamp on it. I have used the threading tape on both ends, so the connection is pretty tight. The hose is rated up to 120 psi, and for some reason I have a leak somewhere. I checked these connections here and they're pretty tight, so I don't know where the leakage might be. Maybe somewhere in the seals on the tank where the motor's connected, or maybe where the pressure switch is. But my guess is the pressure switch is probably culprit anyway, because that is supposed to detect the PSI up to 120 and cut it off at 120. It's cutting off at 93. So that is my problem with this, and I'd like to try to alleviate that. Thank you, and if you need anything else, let me know.